Welcome to episode 18. I'm here at Cafe Jupiter with my giant latte. Seriously, it's huge. Today, we're learning how to describe the world, and we've got a lot to cover. How do I even start describing this thing, Kei-sensei?
A great question, Leo. Today, we will learn how to use adjectives. In Japanese, there are two main ways to describe something. The first way is very simple. You can put the adjective right before the noun, just like in English. For example, a big coffee. The second way is to put the adjective at the end of a sentence with desu. This is how you make a statement, like, the coffee is big.
Okay, so it's adjective, noun, like in English, or noun, adjective, des, to make a statement. I think I get it.
Exactly. If you say the adjective before the noun, it describes the object directly. If you put it before desu, you are making a full statement about that object. We are going to practice both for every word today. First, let's practice that is ending. Repeat after me. です。
Okay, let's do it. This latte is massive, so that's a big coffee. And this tiny little espresso cup, that's a small coffee.
Perfect examples. Big in Japanese is uki and small is chisai. Let's start with big. To say a big coffee, we put the adjective first. Listen carefully. Uki kohi. Very good. Now let's make the statement. The coffee is big. We use the second pattern. 大きいです. Excellent. Now let's do the same for small, which is chisai. First, let's say a small coffee. 小さいコーヒー. And now as a statement, it is small. 小さいです. You've got it. So one more time, uki and chisai.
Big and small. I'm ready for the next one. The design here is amazing. It's a beautiful cafe. And the book I brought is really interesting.
Excellent. Beautiful is kirei. Interesting is omoshiroi. Let's practice interesting first, as it follows the same pattern as the words we just learned. An interesting book is 面白い本. End the statement. It is interesting. 面白いです. Now, for beautiful. Kirei is a bit special. It's called a na adjective. When you put it before a noun, you must add na. But when it's at the end with desu, it's just like the others. No na needed.
Oh, a special rule. So it's kirei na something, but just kirei des.
Exactly. Let's try it. A beautiful cafe. 綺麗なカフェ. And now the statement. It is beautiful. 綺麗です.
Okay, my coffee is still very hot. So how do I use what we just learned to say hot coffee and the coffee is hot?
An excellent question. Hot is atsui. This is another adjective that works just like uki. So let's try the two ways. First, describing the coffee directly. 熱いコーヒー. Exactly. Now, for the full sentence, the coffee is hot. We introduce a very important particle, which is wa. It's written with the hiragana for ha, but when used as a particle, it's always pronounced wa. It marks the topic of the sentence. So, you say the topic first. Kohai. Then, the topic marker wa, and then our statement, 熱いです. Listen, コーヒーは熱いです.
コーヒーは熱いです. Ah, so wa points to what you're talking about. That makes sense.
You've got it. That particle is key to making full sentences. Now, since your coffee is hot, what if you had iced coffee? The opposite of hot for an object is cold. In Japanese, that is 冷たい. Let's practice with that. To say a cold coffee, you would say 冷たいコーヒー. And to make the statement, the coffee is cold, using our new particle, コーヒーは冷たいです. Let's do a fast-paced repetition round to make these stick. For each word, we will say the adjective noun version and then the is adjective version. Repeat after me in the silent gap. Ready? First, big, uki. 大きいコーヒー。大きいです. Next, small, 小さい。小さいコーヒー。小さいです。Next, beautiful, きれい。きれいなカフェ。きれいです。Next, interesting, 面白い。面白い本。面白いです。Last one, hot, 熱い。熱いコーヒー。熱いです。Great work. That was a lot of repetition, but it's the best way to learn.
This was great! I finally understand the difference between a big thing and the thing is big. I'm going to practice on every object in this room. Thanks, Kei-sensei! Next time on episode 19, we're going inside. We'll learn the vocabulary for the house and rooms. We'll talk about where we live and the objects around us.
Keep describing the world. 皆さんまたね。